this video, I am going to create a custom GPT that will help you find the right AI tool for your task. This isn't just any tutorial. I've put together a massive dataset of over 2,000 plus AI tools from my website, deepsinks.com, to make this happen. And stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing some insider tips on how you can actually make money with GPTs. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to chat.openai.com. Quick heads up, you'll need ChatGPT Plus for this project. Once you're there, click on Explore in the sidebar, and then hit Create a GPT. You'll see two options, Create and Configure. I personally lean towards Configure because it lets you add custom data, which is crucial for our project. Now, let's set it up. Enter the name, description. Let's go with Find the right AI tool for your task, and add a snazzy logo to give it some personality. Next up, and this is crucial, is entering the instructions. This part defines how your GPT will behave and operate, so you really want to dedicate some time here. I'd say at least an hour to get this right. Focus on these three aspects. 1. Tone and personality. This is where you decide if your GPT should sound professional, friendly, or even humorous. You can even create a character to interact with users, which is pretty cool. 2. Detailed instructions. Lay out exactly what you want your GPT to do. The clearer, the better. 3. Data usage preferences. Specify how much your GPT should rely on the custom data. Instructions like prioritize the dataset provided or only use the dataset provided will guide ChatGPT on focusing on your unique data. Next step, conversation starters. These are great for showcasing what your tool can do. I've added some cool ones for mine. The most crucial step, adding your data. This is what sets your GPT apart from others. In my case, I'm using my exclusive dataset of 2,000 plus AI tools. I noticed ChatGPT often struggles with recommending the latest AI tools because it doesn't have the newest info, and the AI landscape is always changing. So I'm uploading this valuable info as a CSV file. Nearly there. Now, you can add features like web browsing, image generation, or a code interpreter, depending on what you need. For this project, I'm keeping all these features on. Save your GPT as either public or private. I'm going public with mine. Let's test it out. We'll ask a sample question and compare the responses from ChatGPT and our custom DeepSinks GPT. Spoiler alert, ours is way more accurate and up-to-date. And here's the exciting part. OpenAI is about to launch a GPT store where creators like us can share our GPTs and earn revenue based on usage. This is the perfect time to get in on this incredible opportunity. Create, share, and potentially earn. It's a win-win. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.